Let's go.
Gusto niyo ulam?
Ba? Kahit ano?
Kahit ano, wala kang mabili. Wala silang hito, no?
Ayun, no? Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Fish! Haley, you wanna see the fish?
Fish, oh.
Haley, fish!
Oh, fishy, fishy.
Haley, oh, fishy. Manila clam.
Ito yan?
Haley, oh. Fishy, fishy. Laki ng lobster, oh. Ay, naka-weekly sale sila, oh. 16, ay, dos lang ang inano, eh.
Per kilo.
Yeah. New York cheesecake. Happy birthday, Haley. Happy birthday, Haley. Yan na lang. Try natin. Lagay mo dito. May one. Oh. Pagkano yun? Ay, mall. Bibili natin yun? $8.99? Sure ka?
Ang gusto mo?
Sure ka, daddy?
$3. Mahal na.
Pwedeng yung one na lang.
Mahal to?
Sana in Amazon na lang natin gusto mo may ganong happy birthday.
Wala, nakita ko naman.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, bahay na kami. Mag-unboxing na tayo ng Instax Mini 12. Yan, pakita ko na sa inyo yung box. Ching ching ching. Ching ching ching. Ayan, parang birthday ko na naman daw. Pero birthday ni Haley bukas, October 28. Unbox natin. Best Buy ko in order online. Okay guys, continuation. Ang backstory nito, meron na talaga akong Instax Mini 11. December 2022 ko yata nabili yun. Hindi ko pa masyadong gamit, siguro ilang occasion lang or event ko nagamit yun. And pinadala namin sa Pilipinas para sa pamangkin ni Harold. Kaya nag-upgrade ng Mini 12. Yan. Okay, unbox natin guys. Ha? Gadget lang ba? Oo. Oo nga, di bago dumating 2022. December ko yata binili yun eh. Yeah, wala pa nga si Haley noon. Sa pagkakaalam ko, alam ko kasama rin yun sa na-vlog ko eh. So ayan, open natin guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano pinagkaiba ng 11 sa Mini 12. Pero ito yung latest nila. Yan. Uy, ito agad lumabas. Yung tali. Strap. And, uy, may dalawang batteries, Han. Han, may dalawang battery. May dalawang batteries pala talaga yung kasama. Sa gilid. So, papalitan na lang ni Sab yun if ever hindi na gumana yung batteries na sama natin doon. Ayun, oh. AA naman siya. Yeah, meron naman sa Pilipinas doon. Yan. Tapos, ito yata yung manual. Yan. Ang manual, guys. Ayan. May mga papel-papel pa. Ayan. And, ito na yung pinaka-camera. Kailangan tanggalin to. Ayan. Sobrang sealed, ah. Ayan. Yun. Sobrang sealed, ha, no? Yan na guys. O, diba? Nasa loob siya ng parang papel. Yan. Ten. Yun. Parang walang pinagkaiba dun sa ano ko eh. 11. White din kasi yung sa akin eh. Ayan ano. Ito na siya. So, kailangan na. Alam ko may kasama na yata tong ano eh. May isang battery. Meron na siyang film na kasamang 10 pieces. Lalagyan lang natin siya ng battery dito. Yan. Lagyan natin ng battery guys. Gamitin namin bukas kay Hailing birthday. Let's open the other one. Hirap tanggalin ah. Kakaiba pa yung brand ng battery nila. Okay. Where's the positive and negative? Yan. Dito daw yung positive. Yan. Okay, and pwede natin ilagay yung strap niya. Dito yan sa gilid eh. So na ma-shoot natin. Yan, mabilis lang. Yan. Perfect. Yan na guys. Instax 12. Parang dito yata yung kung paano pinagkaiba. Yan.
Hello guys. Time check. 11:15. Kakalabas ko lang ng kwarto kasi kakatulog lang ni Hailey. So ngayon magpe-prepare tayo no gagawin nating setup para bukas pagising niya makita niya yung mga gifts niya. Iniisip ko saan ko isa-setup kasi yung backdrop malaki, si Coco Melon. Ito yung ginamit namin last time. So gusto kong ilagay ulit to guys. Ayan o. Ito yung setup. Yung backdrop niya. Sa melon. Yung doon naman sa may door ng balcony. Ayan, kailangan ko magpatulong kay Harold. So, ayan yan. And then yung mga gifts niya andito rin. Tapos i-inflate na ako ng balloons. Buti may mga natira pa kaming balloons. Hindi siya inubos ni Harold. So, eto yun. Ayan. Inflate natin yan. And meron pa ako isang binili. Ito, yung number 1. Ayan. So, tignan natin. Ma-inflate natin yan ngayon. I-timelapse ko na lang kayo guys. Kasi didiskartehan ko pa kung saan ko lalagay yung backdrop. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, dear Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Wow! Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, dear Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Wow, you like it? You like it? You have lots of gifts. Wow. Wow. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Uy. Natulala. Natulala, guys. So, ayan ang birthday girl. Yay! Yay! You like your gifts? You like your gifts? You like your gifts? Wow! You like your gifts, Haley? Yay! Wow! Wow! Do you wanna open one? You wanna open one? Oh, who's that? Is that JJ? Is that JJ? Wow! Wow! Look! Look! Haley, this one. Yay! Yay!
Happy birthday, Bunso!
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Yay!
Love you! Love you, love
Happy
you!
birthday, princess!
Birthday!
Yay! How old are you? How old are you? One. Hey, one. Yay!
Love your lips! Love your
Yay! JJ? Wow! JJ is celebrating, oh?
99.
Wow!
I'm the cat champion. I want to get in bed. Good, good. Sleep is good for you.
Yay!
I like it.
Woohoo! You wanna open gift? Oh, here. Open it. Open. Show it to the guys. Okay. Oh, open. You wanna open it? Open. Haley, here. Open. Come on. Open it. Open this one. Come on. Wala. Open mo na. Open.
Open! Ibutan mo lang ng konti para.
Open, Haley. Open. This one. Oh, Haley. This one. Whoa, what's that? Open. Open. This one. Open. Okay, open. More. Open.
More. Dali.
Nani. Open. Yeah. Open.
Dali, open.
Open.
Still.
What's that? Open. One more. What's that? Flashcards. Yay! Oh, one more. Want one more? Maybe this one, oh. This one. Ayan, open. Oh, put this here. Oh, open this. Open. Ay, mas gusto niya yun, ah. This one, open this. Yo, open. Open. Open yan. Open. You want? O, later. Dress up ka muna. Dress up muna, baby. O, eat ka muna. You say hi, everyone. You say hi. It's my birthday.
A few moments later.
Guys, ito ang simpleng handa ni Hailey. First time ni Harold mag-raw fish. Parang buttered garlic ang ginawa niya. Mayroong mais. Yun. And then, meron kaming spaghetti. Yun ang handa ni Hailey. And then, yung New York cheesecake. Lalabas namin mamaya yung cake. And, pipick upin namin yung kanyang pizza. Yun lang ang aming handa. Kami-kami lang. Hailey! Happy birthday! Kagigising lang ng baby nag-power nap. What's that? Are you one? Hailey! One! Hailey! One! O, yan ang kanyang birthday setup. Mga balloons. Mag-open ng gift ulit si Hailey mamaya. Simple handa. One! How old are you? How old are you? Hailey, how old are you? Are you one? Tingnan niya eh.
Celebrate na siya, di ba?
Itong kanyang second celebration dito. Exact birthday niya, October 28. 9:18 a.m. ako nanganak nun eh. One! Are you one? One! Yay! Mamaya, blow ka ng candle mo, ha? Nakuha na namin yung pizza and kami yung stocks. And ito ang aming pang selfie cam. Ay, nawala. Inano ko na yan kanina eh. And a birthday girl! Happy birthday! One! How old are you? How old are you, Hailey? One! Ganda naman ng dress. Ganda na. From Philippines. Oh, ayan ang setup, guys. Picture lang kami. Okay. Natin nilagay yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mag-stop tayo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Bless you! Ay, gusto niya si Miss Rachel. This one, oh, Haley, oh. What's that? Open! Open! You like that, diba? Yay! What's this? Yay! Another Miss Rachel! Yay! Unboxing! Oh, next. This one, Haley. This one. Oh, this one, open. Ay, gusto na yun. Haley, this one, oh. This one, Haley, oh. Uy! One more. Haley, oh. Haley! Gusto niya si Miss Rachel. This one, oh. Oh, open. This one. Oh, this one, open. Open! In! Sige! Open, Haley! This one. Open! Open! What's this? Haley, look, oh! Haley, look! Haley! This one, oh! Little kitchen, oh! Haley! Oh, gusto niya yun! Yay! Oh, last one, guys. Ito na. Last one, Haley. One more. Ayan, titignan mo. Lily! Open! Open! Yay! What's inside? Yay! Busy book! Open, look. Look at this, Busy book! Lily, wow! Show it! Wow, ayan, no? Pwede natin dalhin yan pag sa car. Wow, alphabet! Numbers! Colors! Wow! Touch! Oh, this one. Wow! Ayan, no? Nice! Wow! Wow! Animals! Oh, this one. Wow! Hili, ito tayo yan. Gusto mo yan, May gusto niya yan. Wow! Spin! Wow! Ay, open this one, Ito, open. Oh, ayan, gusto niya yan, Yung mga tali-tali. Oh! And this one, zipper, open. Yay! Are you happy? Oh, happy siya. Huh? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Gusto niya to, guys, busy book, busy board or busy book. Pwede to sa travel, Pagka-travel kami. And then this one, ito yung Miss Rachel Wooden Learning Blocks. Let's see. Kita natin. Yeah. Waiting kami dun sa flash. Dun sa Dahlia na Miss Rachel. Saka yung Sing and Speak na doll. In-order ko yung sa Target. Tapos pinaship ko dun sa house ng friend ko sa US. Kasi nasa Philippines sila ngayon. So baka by November pa natin makuha yun. Ooh! Ganyan siya, guys. Ayan na. Ay, may kasama nga. Hindi, Ili, What's up? Wow! I know, pero mas maliliit ang masakit. Yay! What's this? Yes, Lego. What's that? Umbrella! Woohoo! Letter C, cat. Meron siyang nato, Learning with display ideas. Yeah. Kinain?
A few moments later.
Kasama ko si Hailey, guys. Ako lang sana dito kaso pumasok sa room si Hailey. Yan. 1-year-old na ang aking baby. Parang kailan lang. Magme-message tayo. Yan. Kasi paglaki nito mapapanood niya itong video na to. Yan. Happy first birthday, my little princess. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Ang wish namin sa'yo lumaki kang mabuting bata. Always be kind to others. Always share. And have faith in God. Ayan. Sana mapalaki ka namin ng mabuti. May takot sa Diyos. Ano pa ba? Hindi ko mapapromise kung mabibigyan ka pa namin ng baby sister or baby brother. But just in case na ikaw lang, we will give you all the love and the care. And always remember, God loves you. Mommy and Daddy, Lolo and Lola, Titas and Tito are here to support you. Yan. Always be kind to others. Share your blessings. And good health. Sana matagal ka pa naming makasama. Okay? Parang alam niya, nakikinig. I love you so much, my little princess.